sailed across the darkness, followed by years of silence. Here we're out in the open, shooting stars.
Augusta De Stefani ha chiuso in 2:19,90 per vincere la sua batteria, atleta classe 2000 del 2001 team. Intanto la batteria 6 in corso. Andiamo a presentare invece la quinta ai blocchi. Chiara Bazzanella nuoterà in 1, Alessandra Bonetto in 2, Matilda Rodigari in 3, Alessia Beltrame in 4, Sofia Lucia Catanese in 5, Speranza Perencini in 6, Rebecca Girotto in 7, Alessia Segala in 8.
Into the great wide open, craving for infinity. Hearts are set afire, loves are one true desire. Here we're out in the open, shooting stars without a hope, off in search of wisdom.
Intanto Sara Zanon 2:18,17 su Guerriero e Gianello, tutto pronto per la